Just to be on the safe side, I had to get the Fluke pen electrical voltage tester. Even though I switched off the electrics from the consumer board, which is also known as the fuse box, you had to be rest assured that I'm not dealing with any live wires even though it's turned off. Instructions on this device is provided and it's super easy to use. Batteries are included. And to replace them, you simply press and pull from the top. Different voltage testers will have different rates of voltage to test. Hold on to the green button for 1 second and you will see it blinking. Hold on again to switch off. When it's solid red and beeps, that means there's a live wire and electric current is passing through. You can turn off the beep sound by pressing and holding down on the green button for 2 seconds while you're turning it on. Press for 1 second while turning it on to sound the beep, and it's actually best to keep the beep alert sound turned on. Avoid using your phone while charging. Overall, to give you that confidence in dealing with electrical wiring, get one of these guys. Stay safe, peace.